Bapestas. Mo Bapestas. Bapestas. And Mo Bapestas. Today is another Bapesta day.
He was furious. They thought he was fouled. Excuse me, he's over. We go to the 5-minute OT.
I don't think they ready.
What's going on? It's Bapetown, back with another video. Now Nike, no worries.
Let me tell you something! Let me tell you something! Wait.
These are the third generation.
Daddy, chill.
So today we got the ABC Camo and the color Camo. Now even though these are the third generation Bapestas, and when it comes to us OG Bape heads, we're kind of like, when it comes to ABC Camo and color Camo, they top tier. So we're going to come back to the Bapestas, because you always want to save the best for last. Let's take a look at the Bape Valentine's collection.
I love you, bitch.
Oh my god.
I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
So just like every year, they dropped a nice little collection. Personally, I just bought one of the tees in the entire collection because I'm not buying all that. The Valentine Chocolate Ape Head tee. You got the Ape Head made up of mini Bape chocolates. Headshot.
To this point.
Nah, I'm playing. Bite mark design. And here at the bottom, we got that melted chocolate design. Now it's not noticeable in the photos, but the melted chocolate is puff print. So instead of a regular print, it kind of gives it that nice added texture. And it's on both sides. You know, Bape doesn't do puff print too often, so it's a nice little change up. And here is the back with the Bape College logo at the top. Same as the front, melted chocolate, puff print. Well, there goes the Valentine's tee. Now they did drop a black colorway and everything basically the same, but for the black colorway, we got that white chocolate. That big ape head and the white chocolate on the front. Bape College logo and the white chocolate on the back. You can choose your flavors. Now I'm not gonna lie to y'all, your boy's not too big on Bape holiday themed collections. Cause you can kinda only wear it once, and some of the designs be kinda But the knick-knack stuff, those be pretty clean. Like in the Christmas collection, that Christmas tree, that was nice. You know, I don't think Bape has ever done a Valentine specific Bapesta. I mean, there are pink colored Bapestas, but those don't count. You know, like some of the KAWS or Pink Shark Bapesta, Pastel Pack Bapestas. It'd be interesting if they kind of did one. You know, just like how other brands have done. What y'all guys think? Alright, now on to the Bapestas.
猿になるまで踊りなジャパンメイドな豪華なパーティーさエブリブリリナイトでジャングフィーバー俺がジャパファカン常にダンスなパンスパースターなスタンス吸い込んだ中身バッツ日本産飛ぶで2号ジャンプ
And there they are, the ABC Camo and Color Camo Canvas Bapestas. These bad boys is extra clean. Alright, which one we gonna start off with first? Let's hit them up with the ABC Camo first, since this camo dropped first in '96. So of course, whenever ABC Camo drops, the ABC Camo colors, blue, pink, green, always drops together. Thick canvas material, we got that ABC Camo printed heavy on the entire upper of the shoe. A real nice contrast. What's a good word? We got that crispy.
What?
Crispy white on the Bape star, midsole, outsole, and heel tab. Oh yeah, these are definitely head turners for show.
God damn!
Now they dropped a few variations of these. This is the 20th anniversary design they dropped in 2020. And the biggest hint on how you can tell is that extra white on the heel tab. On the ones before these, they didn't have a white heel tab. Just the whites on the soles and the Bape star. And the ones before those, if I remember, the sock liner color wasn't white. So not too big of a jump in variation. Personally, I like the 20th anniversary design. With the extra white coloring, it gives it a little bit more color accent. Which one would I rock? That's a tough one, they all clean. Well, there goes the ABC Camo Canvas Bapestas. Alright, the color camo Canvas Bapestas. Color camo, red, purple, navy, always drops together. Well, color camo green does sometimes drop at the same time. So does color camo black. And then there is the new color camo. Yeah, I know it's a bit confusing, but the original will always be red, purple, navy. Same nice canvas material as the ABC Camo, but of course with the color camo print. Now you can't really tell, or maybe you can actually. Ape head here. Here's another ape head. Okay, maybe not too many on a shoe, but besides the difference in the colors, ABC Camo will always have more ape heads in the mix. Color camo will always have significantly less. And it looks like there aren't any on this shoe. Now compared to the ABCs, they don't drop the color camos too often. Before these, they dropped in 2021, and before that, I think it was 2017, the all leather joints. Those was clean, but you know those leather ones, a lot more creases. So in terms of rarity, it's the color camo. And another thing I think we all know, the color camo, I would say, is probably the most well known. Oh look, there's an ape head on this one. Okay, out of the color camo, which one would I rock? Yeah, this is also a tough one. The red and purple does bring back memories, but the navy is a lot closer to a neutral color, so it'll probably match with more fits. Yeah, I don't know. Well, there it is, guys. The ABC Camo and the color camo Canvas Bapestas. Which one would you choose? And like always, all sizes, all colors, all available on my site. Link in the description. Definitely recommend these. Hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!